back to my rental. So when I was there, I was going through some stuff and realized the bathtub was actually cracked, which really is not good. Okay, so I'm gonna try repairing it, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff I gotta do too while I'm waiting for that stuff to dry. I want to replace the bathroom light. I want to see if they'll let me change the doorknobs out. The doorknobs look like they're 20 years old. They're ugly. Front door's not shut properly. Back door's not locking properly. The cabinets all collapsed inside. I'm sure there's more. I'll get you guys some shots.
I got everything out from under the sink.
You're the best.
I didn't know where you were going to start.
Okay. Is it okay if I record for YouTube?
Yeah.
For educational purposes? Yep.
Yeah.
I just want to always ask. No, I just appreciate you actually took out everything underneath here, which is cool.
I don't even know what to get.
Yeah, shot. Shot. Cha-cha-cha. How do I want to do this? With a multi-tool.
Before you bought it.
Yeah.
And you were looking for leaks, and I said it's not leaking, but obviously maybe it did at one time because the floor is warped.
Oh, I could have missed it. I'm not that. It's weird. I don't know. I think I have selective hearing. That's probably what the problem is. Yeah, if you said it during inspection, I was probably had a million other things in my mind. That's for sure. Probably that. I probably had the toilet that was flushing into the crawl space on my mind.
That could have been.
Yeah. Wow. Ugh. Get out of there. Wow. Ugh. Get out of there. Okay. Yeah, you see what they did? They ran the vent through here, and that's why they put a hole in here. So it could vent up and vent out. He did the same thing to the other unit. There we go. I gotta figure out what I want to do with this now. Yeah, I grabbed a 1/2-inch piece of plywood, which is really overkill, but I don't really want it to fail. It's gonna probably look stupid. But it's coming out to be 23 1/4. No, I lied. It's 23 1/8 by I'm gonna say 34. So I'm gonna say 23 by 34 1/2. 23 by 34 1/2. 23 by 34 1/2. Good. Definitely no carpenter. Wow. Solid work out of me. There we go. It the other way. Come on. And a half. This is 19 1/4. Just realized that was 18 1/2, 19 1/2. Okay, so I cut the 2x4s. Going to support it. I'm just going to screw it in. 2.5-inch screws. Probably could have got away with 2-inch. For this, I'm just gonna go off a stud. Would have been really nice if I had a longer piece, because I'm out of 2x4s now. I have a 2x6 in a crawl space, but this is gonna be plenty strong. Actually, let me see if I have any more. So actually, I was using 3-inch screws. I don't know why I was saying 2.5, but yeah, I hit the studs in the back. I found a long enough 2x4. It's way more than over. This is way overkill. This thing's gonna be stronger than the house. If I can get it in there now. There we go. Wow. I got some gaps. But definitely happy with that. I could just silicone. That's a big gap for silicone, but I'm definitely happy. Definitely happy with it. Yeah, I can see the gap because now it's just bows back there. Same thing with this one. Absolutely. Nope. There we go. Actually, I thought it was going to be too thick. It's not that bad. 3/8 would have been perfect, but... yeah. Get this back together. Okay. No leaks. Put these little trim pieces on. Even though we got a nice hole in the back anyways, but this is pretty. Come on. I just silicone this up. Oh man. Yep, I might put a screw in there to hold it. Still got this drying. I want to do this light. Don't want to change out. The last one didn't have no box in it, so I know this one's not going to have an electrical box either. Can almost guarantee you. Oh, I got to take all these out. Oops. I'm changing this because first of all, it's ugly, and I think, well, I think she maybe got that right. I think the socket was bad or something. I wonder if it was working right there. But I'm changing it. It's ugly. It's got to go. Oh, how does this come off? Usually these things come off right here. That's not working. Beautiful. Come on. Man, I thought I put stuff on tight. Unreal. I can't even. Wow. What a joke. What a joke. That's one. Two. Oh. Butter cut it. I'm gonna pull half the paint off the wall. This. Power's off. Come on. Now I'm gonna get this out. Romex. Oh, I'm bleeding. Careful, this stuff is sharp. I didn't even feel that. Actually, I'll put this in here. Now here's the problem. I think I tried this on the last one too. This special box I got, it's gonna stick past this. Let me see. Last time I bolted it up, it stuck past. Which it is now. I wonder if I could just bend it out and cut the box. That's all I want to do. Maybe I'll just cut the box. Trying to figure out which way I want the box to line up properly. Notch it here. I'll just put the box down, shave it. I'm gonna hide the wires too, so actually I'm gonna reverse it. I'm gonna go like this. I can't put on these lines because or else the box is gonna go through the wall. Because it grabs on the lip. Come on. Get in there. There we go. So trace it. Cool. We'll go about this. Go about like that. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Let's see if I nicked it. Nope. I'm good. Gotta worry about that dropping? Nope, it's corded. So I'll put that right there. Now, how this works is, let's see if this even fits in there. Of course. Yep. There we go. This goes in here. Where's my wing nut now? There we go. We're gonna knock this out. I gotta put a connector in there now too. Penny. Knock that knockout out. Put this 3/8 take all in there. I'm gonna hurt my finger. It's tight. Get the Romex in there. Yeah. Don't forget power's off. And we already double checked, see if the damage, see if the Romex was damaged, and it wasn't. Oh, look at that. Doesn't matter anyway, this thing just tripped. Thing just tripped. Yeah, I had the switch off, but this is actually on a GFI breaker, so me touching that neutral probably just tripped that breaker. Which makes no sense, because I didn't see no arc or spark, but I think the GFI breaker actually measures the neutral, and that's why that happened right there. Snug. Make sure you don't trap the Romex back there underneath the teeth. Come on. There we go. Oh, that's tight. Man. Got butterfingers today. Made the break. See the notches? Okay. Drilling out the studs now. Not drawing out the studs, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. Don't hit that wire. Gotta love it when stuff works out. Ugh. That's good there. Okay, we're gonna touch this up. Get rid of some of that paint lines, just a little bit. I don't want to wreck the wall. Yeah, that's good over there. Use my cheap little paintbrush. Chintzy Fisher Price paintbrush. It came in that like little kit I got like for free at Menards. Can't beat it. Well, by the time you put the rebate in. I'll give it some texture. Voila. Now this brush can go straight in the garbage. There we go. Okay, that's good for that. Pretty dang good. Come on. Okay, so this one's, it's been bent, and I just bent it back. So I'm just gonna replace it. Just gonna replace it. And then also I'm gonna replace the doorknobs. Forgot how these pop out. One of these just pop out. Then, so that's that. I'm gonna fill this. Oh, that thing's shot. Oh, I thought this was soft, but that is really soft. I'm still filling it. Yeah, we're gonna fill it. Oh, it's soft because there's silicone in there. I'm probably gonna move this down, but I'm just gonna fill it in. Why is there all this silicone on here? It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. I don't know what that is. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna fill it in, and then just put it right on top. I like this stuff because it turns white when it's actually dry. Oh, that don't smell so good. DAP, plastic wood. Of course. You coming inside?
Well, I can wait.
Oh, here, come on in.
What do you do? Oh,
Patching that up.
that thing. The wind grabs this door and it's gone.
Gone.
And it just bends everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a new one on. You gotta promise to take care of it. Even though I know.
How many of them I've already put on there?
Well, I was about to say, I looked at it, there's like 4 different ones at 4 different spots.
Yeah.
That's what I'm like. I made it work again, but I was just like, I'm just gonna give you a new one. Forget that. Is the latch coming undone, or is it just not latching, then the wind grabs it, or how does it?
When you're walking outside, if the wind is blowing from
Oh.
the south to the north, I mean, it'll just take the door right out of your hand.
Yeah.
You-
There we go. Okay, let's see this. That's kind of low. Actually, no. Now, where's up? This is up. Nope, it's not in the center. So we have to adjust it. Right there. Up. Now it's in the center. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, I remember now. Oh.
What?
It's the same thing on the other house door. Unreal. It's like hilarious. These things are identical, which they are.
The same.
I gotta drill it out. Okay, so I just lost it. This hole saw is actually the same size, is a little bit bigger than this. This one's gonna help me guide it in. It's not the right size, but somehow it's already shutting better. Oh, these are loose, and I'm just gonna remove them. Put 3" in there. Now it closes nice. know, right? It's all in the bucket. Ram it out. Come on. Oh, I gotta do the same thing over here too. The other one I didn't have to
Pull it
cut.
out.
I gotta cut it.
Look at the door.
Yeah, it's
I mean, why did they have to beat everything in? Oh, they got